Alright, we're up here on the second floor at Professional Plaza North, here in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. And behind these bricks is where the elevator is at. Could have been made class, but unfortunately the view may not be worth it, as you can see. This will be the view. Anyways, here's a look at the building itself. It's a nice building. I do like this atrium. This place screams early 80s. Actually, this place was built back in 1982 according to research. Here's a look at this side. Your steps there. And there's the elevator. And guess what? It's a Dover. Let's go to the ground or the basement. It's a nice elevator. I do like this older Dover elevator. These are your traditional fixtures. Whoa, your G. Got no phone. There's your indicator. Ground floor. Go up to 2, listen to the motor. Whoa. And yes, that is water dripping off the elevator because the pit is flooded. There's your certificate if you're on the second floor. Taking a ride down the ground. Meanwhile, there's your bumper. Door closes when you push the button. We all love that. Whoa, you're at ground. Yeah, look at that. You can see the pit is completely flooded. That is not good. Anyways, went up to the lobby. Jeez. And you're at 1. This might be a nice elevator. Unfortunately, this thing could use a little bit of work. At least clean out the pit. And there it goes, and that will be it.